Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles grow. We'll dive into the secrets of achieving that perfect, airy texture every time. First, let's talk about the foundation. Using the right leavening agents, like baking powder, is key to creating those wonderful pockets of air. Also, ensuring your ingredients are at room temperature helps them combine smoothly, leading to a more consistent and fluffy batter. Getting these basics right sets you up for success. Now, let's explore the power of your ingredients. For truly grown waffles, fresh baking powder is non-negotiable. It provides the lift. A fantastic technique is to separate your eggs, whipping the whites until they form stiff peaks. This incorporates a lot of air, which translates directly into a lighter waffle. If your recipe calls for baking soda, pairing it with an acid like buttermilk or a splash of vinegar will activate it, giving an extra boost to your batter's rise. Next, let's perfect your mixing and cooking. Combine your wet and dry ingredients separately, then gently fold them together. The most important tip for fluffy waffles is to avoid overmixing. A few small lumps are perfectly acceptable. Overmixing develops gluten too much, leading to dense waffles. Once your batter is ready, ensure your waffle iron is fully preheated to its highest setting. This quick heat sets the batter rapidly, trapping steam and creating that desired growth. Finally, here are some optimal tips for success. After mixing, let your batter rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the flour to fully hydrate and the leavening agents to begin their work. Resist the urge to open your waffle iron too early. Let it cook completely until the steam stops, usually for about 3 to 5 minutes. This ensures a fully cooked and expanded waffle. Serve them immediately to enjoy their crisp exterior and wonderfully fluffy interior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.